Motors family. This is the 1997 Toyota Town Ace Noah. It has 59,829 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3S FE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 2 doors alongside 1 rear sliding door and also 1 rear hatch as well. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle also comes in kilometers right here. So the number y'all are seeing down here, 96,287. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 59,829. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We will be happy to answer any phone calls or any questions that you might have. We really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, each and every one of y'all, for the continual support. I hope you have a blessed and safe day.